By the time you are done with your 20-hour day, you're exhausted. And then you have to get up and start again. So our intention as Wired4Women with regards to why we chose a day like this was to give you time off, to actually kick off your shoes and relax and do something for you. Because we recognize that women hardly ever get an opportunity to do something for them. So while I know that there's so many issues that we need to unpack and go through in our quest of gender equality, and we haven't forgotten about that, and our journey will continue with regards to that. This is our third webinar with you, and as we proceed with having more webinars that we'll have throughout the course of the year, we are going to continue to tackle the prevalent issues that we need to unpack and go through to make sure that women get to a place where they have an adequate and fair seat at the table.
To actually start focusing on issues that pertain to how you move up the ladder within your own organization, to unlock opportunities at all levels of our industry for women, while ensuring that we create a pipeline of talented women in the industry who are able to take up opportunities with excellence when they become available.
We all know, or we all acknowledge, that COVID-19 was a human crisis. It impacted a lot of us in terms of how we live, how we interact with our families, how we interact as colleagues. And of course, there were positives that came out of some of these things, because as an example, in my organization, it's been a while that we were trying to push online collaboration tools. And when the COVID-19 pandemic landed, people realized that it's important to connect from wherever we are. The impact is quite huge, both on the overall organization and in IT as a department, because we don't have budgets that we had in order to progress our digitization journey. And we're looking at how do we make that journey easier.
So what are we making? How are we making it? Ladies, I want you to all take out your recipes, because all of us received our recipes. I hope you had an opportunity to go buy the ingredients that we needed today, but I want to continue drinking my cocktail.
Yes,
because
sure,
now
I
these
will.
gentlemen are making me work
You've actually got to taste.
with a thing.
Yeah, but don't stir it.
Yeah,
You're gonna
just taste it, right? And
yeah?
then you'll feel so.
And no double dipping, please. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in, or we're actually going to leave it in there, remove it from the heat. We're going to put a whole lot of Parmesan in there, a whole lot of butter.
A lot of
then we're going to
cheese.
put a lid on there,
Okay.
and that residual heat is
Will help
carryover
it
cooking.
soften.
Obviously, I'm going to show off. I'm going to be looking at you and chopping.
Oh my gosh, look at that, guys.
So, you know,
Chefiness.
today's a nice day. You know, we just
Look
do
at
some
you.
risotto over there. Until I cut myself, it's a
Guys,
different story.
so he's trying to show us that I don't.
So, you know,
I got
I'm
this.
looking this direction as well. You know, I'm
I
just
got
watching.
this.
You know, I
Look
got
at you,
You know,
ladies.
so
Remember, there's no salt in at the moment.
Yeah, I was
The thing
about
is-
to say.
If you guys were going to put in salt at the start, you're putting in goat cheese, which is salty. You're putting in butter, which is salty. You're putting in Parmesan, which is salty. You're going to add meat, which is going to
salty.
be
Maraman,
salty.
in our defense,
What is the-
no, guys, without, we're not racializing this thing, but as black people, we're used to putting in salt first.
People can always add salt. You
But
can't take it
remove
away.
You're right.
Or you're going
You're
to
right.
give them a hell of a lot of alcohol to drown
Which
it,
also
you know?
works.
Which works too.
Well,
Cheers.
I'll give you some time.
Cheers, ladies. Cheers. I hope you've got your drink with you. It has been such a privilege to be with you here today. And I know I speak on behalf of Brainstorm of ITWeb and Mandisa and BCX with regards to thanking you for the privilege of your time. I hope that the kids and your partners and your husbands leave you alone to enjoy your gin and your
risotto.
private school mushroom and truffle.
Anyway, nah.
Thank you. God bless you and have a lovely, lovely
Thank you
afternoon.
very much, guys. Thank you.
you.